Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with a severe weather update for the Day 1 outlook. We have a very dangerous day ahead today, so let's get right to it. We have a moderate risk for severe weather today that encompasses southeastern Kansas, the eastern half of Oklahoma, parts of northeastern Texas, southwestern Missouri, and northwestern Arkansas. Cities in today's moderate include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Springfield, Missouri, Norman, Oklahoma, and Broken Arrow, Oklahoma. We have an enhanced risk for severe weather today that encompasses extreme southeastern Nebraska, parts of eastern Kansas, much of Missouri, central Oklahoma, central Arkansas, and northeastern Texas. Cities in today's enhanced include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Kansas City, Missouri, Arlington, Texas, and Wichita, Kansas. Alright, so areas in the yellow are in a slight risk for severe weather today, and areas in the dark green are in a marginal risk for severe weather today. Cities in today's slight include Nashville, Tennessee, Oklahoma, Nebraska, St. Louis, Missouri, Lincoln, Nebraska, and Des Moines, Iowa. And today's marginal includes the cities of Austin, Texas, Memphis, Texas, Shreveport, Louisiana, Knoxville, Tennessee, and Huntsville, Alabama. Going to the tornado threat for today, we have a 15% chance of tornadoes today that encompasses southeastern Kansas, southwestern Missouri, northwestern Arkansas, most of Oklahoma, and far northeastern Texas. Again, this is a 15% chance of tornadoes, and it will not be just isolated, but there will be numerous. There will be a lot of tornadoes today, and there could be some that are long-tracked and significant. So, cities in the 15% tornado risk area today include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Norman, Oklahoma, Broken Arrow, Oklahoma, and Fort Smith, Arkansas. And there is an enhanced risk for severe weather today that encompasses extreme southeastern Nebraska, much of Missouri, eastern Kansas, central Oklahoma, central Arkansas, and northeast Texas. Cities in the 10% tornado risk area today include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Kansas City, Missouri, Arlington, Texas, and Wichita, Kansas. And again, there will be a lot of tornadoes in that area too. There will be a lot of tornadoes in the 15 and 10% areas. Now, if you look at the black dashed areas, the black dashed area encompasses the entirety of the 15% and 10% tornado risk areas today. The black dashed area is where we have the highest potential to see strong tornadoes of EF2 rating or stronger today. And there can be some tornadoes that are violent and long-tracked, so you want to be prepared for that. So, cities in the black dashed area today include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Kansas City, Missouri, and Tulsa, Oklahoma. And again, the black dashed area is where we have the highest potential to see strong tornadoes of EF2 rating or stronger today. Alright, so again, there could be some that are long-tracked and violent today, so it can be a very dangerous day today. So you want to stay weather aware today. Areas in the brown are in a 5% chance of tornadoes today, and areas in the dark green are in a 2% today. So, cities in the 5% tornado risk area today include Omaha, Nebraska, St. Louis, Missouri, Lincoln, Nebraska, Des Moines, Iowa, and Little Rock, Arkansas. Alright, and the 2% today includes the cities of Austin, Texas, Memphis, Tennessee, Shreveport, Louisiana, Sioux Falls, South Dakota, and Cedar Rapids, Iowa. Going to the wind threat for today, we have a 45% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today. That covers southeastern Kansas, northeastern Oklahoma, northwestern Arkansas, and southwestern Missouri. Shading the 45% wind risk area today include Tulsa, Oklahoma, Springfield, Missouri, Broken Arrow, Oklahoma, Fort Smith, Arkansas, and Fayetteville, Arkansas. And there is a 30% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today. That encompasses extreme southeastern Nebraska, eastern Kansas, eastern Oklahoma, northeastern Texas, parts of Arkansas, and much of Missouri. Cities in the 30% wind risk area today include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Kansas City, Missouri, Plano, Texas, Overland Park, Kansas, and Kansas City, Kansas. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area encompasses the entirety of the 45% in area. The black dashed area encompasses the entirety of the 45% area and areas near the 45%. The black dashed area is where we have the highest potential to see hurricane force wind gusts of 74 miles per hour higher today from thunderstorms. Cities in the black dashed area today include Tulsa, Oklahoma, Springfield, Missouri, Broken Arrow, Oklahoma, Fort Smith, Arkansas, and Fayetteville, Arkansas. And again, the black dashed area is where we have the highest potential to see hurricane force gusts of 74 miles per hour higher from thunderstorms today. Alright? So, areas in the yellow are in a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today, and the brown is the 5% area today. Cities in the 15% wind risk area today include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Nashville, Tennessee, Arlington, Texas, and Wichita, Kansas. And areas in the 5% area include Austin, Texas, Memphis, Tennessee, Omaha, Nebraska, Shreveport, Louisiana, and Des Moines, Iowa. Going to the hail threat for today, there is a 45% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today that encompasses southeastern Kansas, the eastern half of Oklahoma, far northeastern Texas, southwestern Missouri, and northwestern Arkansas. Cities in the 45% hail risk today include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Norman, Oklahoma, Broken Arrow, Oklahoma, and Fort Smith, Arkansas. There is a 30% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today that encompasses southeastern Nebraska, parts of Missouri, parts of Kansas, parts of Oklahoma, northeastern Texas, and parts of Arkansas. Cities in the 30% hail risk today include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Kansas City, Missouri, Arlington, Texas, and Wichita, Kansas. Areas in the yellow are in a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today, and areas in the brown are in a 5% hail risk today. So, the 15% includes Nashville, Tennessee, Omaha, Nebraska, St. Louis, Missouri, Lincoln, Nebraska, and Des Moines, Iowa. And the 5% includes Austin, Texas, Memphis, Tennessee, Shreveport, Louisiana, Knoxville, Tennessee, and Huntsville, Alabama. And the black dashed area is where we have the highest potential to see hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today. Cities in the black dashed area today include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Kansas City, Missouri, and Omaha, Nebraska. And again, highest potential to see hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger is in the black dashed. So, in summary, significant severe weather is likely from the central and southern plains into the Ozarks today into tonight. All severe weather hazards are expected to include tornadoes, some potentially strong to intense, very large hail, and severe winds. So, that's the day one outlook. So, stay safe in the affected areas today and tonight. Have way be notified today and tonight, whether it be your TV, radio, or phone. And try to sleep in your safe place tonight to avoid moving in the middle of the night. So, stay safe in the affected areas today and tonight, and my day 2 outlook will come out later. Take care.